Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. Today we are going to make the crispy lady's finger or the Kurkure Bhindi, and that too in a microwave. So this can be your evening snacks with some tomato ketchup, or you can even serve it with your regular dal and rice. So let's get on with the recipe. For this you will be needing the lady's finger. Mine is a little less than 300 grams. You can take the measurement to 300 grams of lady's finger. The exact measurements are given at the end of the video, as you all know by now. So after you see the video, you can get on to the recipe ingredients list. Now here, as you all can all see, I've cut the bhindi, the lady's finger, lengthwise into halves, and if it is very long, I've cut it into a transverse section again so that I get 4 halves out of the lady's finger. So onto this I have put a tablespoon of oil, and yes, I've washed the bhindis very well before and I've dried them. Okay, onto this I'm going to add the red chilli powder and then a little haldi powder, that is the turmeric powder. These are the spices. Next comes in the chaat masala. I've added chaat masala into it, followed by the coriander powder. Please do not worry about the amount, because at the end of the video you can get the ingredients list. Now be careful with the salt. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Towards the end, if you think you need some more, you can sprinkle later. Now give this a good mix. Now let's make good use of a microwave and not just keep it for warming our food. So here in this microwave you will get the microwave power, which you are going to press. It will come to high power and you'll set the time for 6 minutes. Remember, I'm doing this for 300 grams of lady's finger. So set it to 6 minutes and then you put the casserole into it, or the bowl in which you are going to microwave or cook this lady's finger. You put it into it and then press the start button. It is that easy. Now the countdown will start from 6 minutes till it reaches the 0 mark. So at this time you can do some other chores. And another plus point is that there is very less oil. If you fry this in the kadhai, it's going to take a lot of oil. It's going to absorb a lot of oil. So here the first 6 minutes are done. With the help of a cloth, you hold the bowl and then remove it from the microwave and then give it a good stir. Mix it well. Remember, this is halfway done. When you're doing this, please add another tablespoon of oil into it and then mix it well. In it goes into the microwave again, and now this time you are going to microwave it for 3 minutes. Set the timer, and then as soon as you see that it beeps, the timer beeps, you remove it, and then your crispy lady's finger or your Kurkure Bhindi is ready. I will show you how crispy it is. You can just hear that. Now just let me break one and then you can hear the sound. Do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to like it. Thank you for watching, and a kind request to all of you, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. The list of ingredients is attached here. Do give it a try and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.